Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In today's video I have a 2024 Chrysler Pacifica and I will show you how to fold down the back seats. This video should apply to these vehicles made from 2017 all the way up to 2026. Also, if this video was helpful, please consider supporting the channel by liking the videos, subscribing to the channel or becoming a channel member. Okay, now the first thing to do, you want to lower these headrests, so just pull this lever up, and then the next step would be to pull onto this lever which is labeled as number 1. Pull it and pull the complete seat towards yourself. Okay, just like this, and it will fall in its place. Now once again I will show you the other side as well. Okay, so first you want to pull this and then pull onto the number 1 to unlock it, and then actually you can pull the number 2 to pull it down. And that's it. And look at how much cargo space you get. Thank you for watching this video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews and other similar automotive topics.